Recently, I posed a question to you about YouTube's polling feature. At what monthly net income and capital assets would you truly experience an impact on your daily life? Nearly 4,000 members of our community participated, which is fantastic. It was fascinating to see the diverse responses in the comments, ranging from early retirement and part-time work to moving abroad. While how the income stream manifests and is utilized is secondary, what truly intrigued me was the amount that makes a difference for you. Only 7% and 15% of you found net earnings of 0 to 500 euros or 500 to 1,000 euros per month relevant, respectively. A staggering 78% of you need at least 1,000 euros net per month or more for investment returns to have a meaningful impact rather than just supplementing your savings. Additionally, 16% of you stated that 3,000 euros or more are necessary to make any significant life changes. But what does this reveal about our financial goals and the strategies we need to adopt? From these insights, I derived two scenarios. Scenario A, with 1,500 euros net per month, and Scenario B, with 2,500 euros net per month. These targets should be intriguing for most of us, at least statistically. But how realistic is it to achieve these goals? Often, the notion that living off capital gains in retirement is merely an illusion and reserved for the wealthy prevails. Is this belief holding us back from pursuing financial freedom? Let's break down the basics. How do we generate these returns? What investment options are available? How much capital is required to reach the desired monthly incomes? What assumptions and variables must we consider in these calculations? Could understanding these fundamentals unlock the path to financial independence? Diving deeper, we explore specific investment types and scenarios that can help us achieve these financial goals within a realistic time frame. But before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe and participate in our next poll. Turning on the notification bell ensures you won't miss out on future insights. Now, let's get started. For those new to this topic, you might be wondering, how can I receive money automatically every month? There must be a catch. The concept of passive income and financial freedom has been widely covered in the media, indicating a growing interest in information and solutions in this area. But what separates genuine opportunities from mere illusions? We must distinguish between incomes generated through capital investment, where your money works for you, and massive incomes without any capital investment. For example, the idea that you can earn 1,000 euros every month without money or significant effort is often a scam. Why do so many schemes promise effortless wealth, and what should we be wary of? Consider the classic examples: hiring a coach to build an Airbnb business or selling dog leashes on Amazon through dropshipping. While these ideas seem brilliant in theory, they often require substantial effort, entrepreneurial risk, and know-how. How realistic are these ventures for the average person, and what challenges lie beneath the surface? More realistically, most of us will generate income through capital investment. Starting with a regular job or being self-employed, you pay taxes, cover daily expenses, and invest the remaining funds. But where exactly should you invest to maximize returns? Is it stocks, ETFs, real estate, or something else entirely? Let's explore the power of dividends from stocks and ETFs. By investing in dividend-heavy portfolios, you can build a steady income stream. For instance, a 100,000 euro investment might yield around 250 euros per month in dividends. But how sustainable is this, and what factors influence these returns? The widely accepted 4% rule suggests that you can withdraw about 4% annually from your investments without depleting the capital. But is this rule foolproof? And what risks does it entail? How does market volatility affect your ability to maintain this withdrawal rate over time? Real estate is another potent avenue for generating passive income. With rental properties, you can expect around 3% in annual rent, which translates to a reliable income stream. However, what are the hidden costs and responsibilities that come with being a landlord? Can real estate truly provide the financial freedom we aspire to? Peer-to-peer lending platforms offer higher returns, sometimes up to 6.75%, but with significantly higher risks. Is the potential for higher returns worth the increased risk? And how can you mitigate these risks effectively? What role do these platforms play in a diversified investment portfolio? Liquidity mining and staking in the cryptocurrency sector represent the modern yet riskier methods of generating passive income. While they offer high returns, the volatility and complexity of the crypto market pose substantial risks. Can these methods be integrated safely into a long-term investment strategy? Now, let's address the crucial question. How much capital do you need to invest to achieve your monthly income goals? For scenario A, aiming for €1,500 net per month, you'd need around €600,000 invested at a 4% return. For scenario B, targeting €2,500 net per month, the required capital jumps to nearly €1 million. But is accumulating such capital feasible for most people? Breaking it down further, let's consider different starting situations. A young professional starting with zero capital and saving €500 per month, someone who begins investing later with €650 monthly contributions, and a family saving €250 monthly with an initial capital of €120,000. How long will each of these groups take to reach their financial goals? Are these timelines realistic? And what factors could accelerate or hinder their progress? The answer lies in a combination of high income, disciplined saving, and strategic investing. But only a small percentage of the population, perhaps 10 to 20%, can realistically achieve these ambitious goals. Is this disparity a reflection of financial literacy, opportunity, or something else entirely? As we conclude, it's clear that living off dividends and capital gains is not mere wishful thinking. However, it requires a clear understanding of investment principles, disciplined saving, and a willingness to take calculated risks. Are you ready to take control of your financial future and embark on this journey towards financial freedom? Stay tuned, subscribe, and let's navigate the path to wealth together. The journey is challenging, but the rewards are within reach for those who stay committed.